gauge, left turn out. Clear on let's fire it up the hole of the San Diego Chargers, who are currently beating Arizona 38-7.
Now, to the left, Captain McWhirter calls smoke on. Off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner.